Hey beauties, welcome back. Today we're talking about brows and how to achieve a beautiful brow using my favorite drugstore gems. Stay tuned. So before we can actually learn how to fill in your brows, let's talk about how to find your perfect brow shape. You want to take the edge of your brow pencil and find the ideal start of your brows by placing that pencil along the side of your nose. To find your arch, it's actually the highest point, and it should actually line up with the outer edge of your iris. And then to find your tip, you want to angle that brow brush from the outside of your nose to the outer corner of your eye, and that's where they should naturally end. My favorite product that I use is actually the Loreal Brow Stylist Definer. It is amazing. I'm using dark brunette. It's a nice thin micro pencil. And first I'm going to brush my brows up and outwards, like so. I'm going to start about a ½ inch in and just line underneath where my brows naturally grow. I am not getting creative here. I am tracing the line that God gave me. Now keep in mind, this is a lot easier when your brows are freshly shapen. You get a much cleaner look. I'm going to follow through on the opposite side and just brush my brows up and outwards and do the same thing. Trace underneath, following the line that God gave me, about a ½ inch in all the way to the tip, like so. Okay, so next I'm actually going to fill in my brows using brush-like strokes. So I'm actually mimicking the shape of brow hairs, and I am using a very light amount of pressure. The more pressure you use, the more product is applied, so I want it to look very natural and like brow hair. So I use light pressure. And I'm measuring once again because I did need to make faux brow hairs to bring my brows into where they should naturally start, which they don't grow there. Okay, and I'm going to follow through and do the same thing on the other side. Now I go for a natural brow fill-in look. I'm a natural girl through and through, so I like for my brows to look like brow hairs. I don't like it to look like product. So I am very tedious with the amount of product that I apply. Next, I'm going to go in with my Crown Concealer brush. Then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, which I love, another drugstore brand. And then again, I'm going to start about a ½ inch in, and I'm tracing underneath the line that we just made with our brow pencil here. And this is what's going to create that precise, beautiful brow. So see, I just traced right underneath. Don't get creative. And then I'm dragging that line straight down. We're diffusing that product. We're actually spreading the product. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Drawing a nice precise line. And ladies, if it helps, use a magnifying mirror because the closer you are, the better. And then once we trace that line, we're going to drag it down like so. I'm going to take my Real Techniques blending eyeshadow brush. I'm paying extra special attention and being sure that I'm not going anywhere near the top of that line where that brow pencil that we drew in. I don't want to disrupt that at all because we want that line to be precise. But we want the rest of that product to be really blended. I like to then follow through with my spoolie brush, just brushing my brows up and out to make sure that product is evenly distributed. And look how nice that looks already. Just nice and neat, and it's as symmetrical as they can possibly be. Brows are sisters, not twins. So next, I'm actually going to use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. That is my foundation color. So I'm going in with that, and I'm just lightly applying that over the top of my brows. And I'm going right back in with my Real Techniques blending eyeshadow brush here, and blending out that product for a seamless look. So voila! Hey girl, hey! So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to achieve beautiful brows using what I call my drugstore gems. Thanks for watching!